In number 7 and number 8, they asked us to show that the left side of an equation is equal to the right side by using properties of exponents. So we're going to break this down. I'm going to start by taking 1/28 and raising it to the 1/7. 1/28 raised to the 1/7. Once I get that answer, then I'll raise it to the 5th power. I don't know offhand what is 1/28 to the 1/7 power. So grab the calculator. In parentheses, we have 1/28 raised to the 1/7 power. Sorry for the glare, it's hard to see. I press enter, and the correct answer is 2. Now I take care of the top number in the rational exponent. 2 to the 5th. A common mistake I see students make as they're rushing through an exam is to say 10. Remember, 2 to the 5th is 2 times itself 5 times. So 2 caret 5 is 32. Okay, same thing here. I'm going to take 16 raised to the 5/4. So first we're going to raise it to the bottom number in the rational exponent. 16 to the 1/4. After I evaluate that, I'll raise it to the 5th. If you don't know what 16 to the 1/4 is and you don't have that table available, we're going to take 16 to the 1/4. I'll raise it up so you don't see the glare. The answer is 2. And I'm not going to take time, so 2 to the 5th then. I'm not going to take time to plug it in because I already plugged it on the left, and 2 to the 5th is equal to 32. Okay, it works. Same concept for number 8. The key is you have to show your work. You can't just say 32 equals 32. All right. So 256 raised to this bottom number of 2. Remember, it's going to be written as a 1/2. And afterwards, I'll raise it to the 1st power. Remember, 1/2 really means square root. So if you knew what the square root of 256 is, you'd be in good shape. 256 raised to the 1/2 is an answer of 16. And 16 to the 1st power is simply 16. If you didn't know that, you could also plug it into the calculator. On to the right side, we have 8, again with the bottom number, raised to not the 3rd, to the 1/3, and afterwards I'm going to apply the 4. Look at your chart into the 3rd column. You'll see that 8 to the 1/3 is associated with 2. And if you don't have that chart, you will take 8, raise it to the 1/3 power, and the correct answer is 2. Now 2 to the 4th. 2 to the 4th common mistake would be 8. This is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. And if you don't know the answer, again, you're going to take 2 caret 4 on your calculator. 2 caret 4. Correct answer is 16. And we have just proven, using property of exponents, that the left side is equal to the right side.